Now in this video we'll see how to design 4-bit parallel in parallel out shift register. One of the simplest type of shift register we can say will be parallel in parallel out shift register. Now what happens? Data should be loaded parallelly. That means it should load like this, it should load like this, and here also, and the output also taken parallelly. अब आप output ले सकते हैं Q1 से, so we'll take it parallelly. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 which is parallel, और जो हमें input apply करना है that is also parallel, D3, D4. Finally clock pulse भी connect करेंगे. This is our clock pulse. तो ये तो हो गया schematic of 4-bit parallel in parallel out circuit. Now when I come across its operation, what happens? So initially all the flip-flops will be in reset mode. So in case of truth table, I can write input from this side D1, D2, D3, D4, and here I will write outputs Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, and let's apply the clock pulse. So in the initial phase, as you know that these all are in reset conditions, so the outputs will be 0. So we'll get 0, 0, 0, 0. Now during the next positive clock pulse, यानी कि यहाँ पर हम अगर पॉजिटिव ट्रिगर अप्लाई करते हैं, so data will be accepted. And let's suppose we have the data as 1, 0, 1, 0. अब ये डेटा बिट्स यहाँ पर साइमल्टेनियसली अप्लाई हो रहे हैं और वही हम देंगे आउटपुट के. So let's start with the first. When I apply clock pulse here, 1 will appear here. So when D is 1, output will be 1. So D1 1 है तो Q1 क्या आ जाएगा 1. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर भी देखिए ये D2 0 है तो Q2 0 आ जाएगा. D3 1 है तो Q3 1 आ जाएगा, और D4 0 है तो ये आ जाएगा 0. So what you got the result 1 0 1 0. Similarly in the next clock pulse, if I assume that I have to apply a data called 1 1 0 1. So when we apply the clock pulse, data bits will be 1 1 0 1. So again if it is 1 we'll get 1. यहाँ पर 1 है तो ये 1 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर 0 है तो 0, यहाँ पर 1 है तो 1. So this will be one of the simplest type of shift register. जो भी हमने इनपुट दिया है वो हमें मिलेगा आउटपुट के लिए. And in case of parallel in parallel out, the most advantageous point is propagation delay is very less. Propagation delay is less. Why? Because जो भी इनपुट दिया है वही अपीयर हो रहा है आउटपुट के लिए, and it is getting at the same instant of time. So this will be the schematic and truth table for parallel in parallel out shift register. Thank you.